Today marks a momentous and historical day here in Newport Beach, California, Orange County. It is the grand opening of the City of Hope, where patients can now drive to Newport Beach instead of all the way to Duarte. We had the opportunity to interview Annette Walker and other people who are associated with City of Hope. I have Annette Walker here, who is the president of the brand new City of Hope here in Orange County. Well, congratulations and thank you for having us.
I'm so grateful for you to be here today and for all the people that have come celebrate with us.
Well, it's a wonderful day. I mean, it's the start of a new era for the City of Hope. Tell me what this means to the community.
Well, I want to say, first of all, the most important reason we came here is because of our patients. We're answering the call of our patients. We have 3,200 patients drive from Orange County last year to Duarte, and it's quite a burden on them. So that is the first most important thing, is we're going to alleviate that burden on some of our patients to receive their care right here in Orange County. Exactly. Secondly, we are bringing those extraordinarily high specialized physicians to Orange County, and they're going to be right here on the ground in Newport Beach.
Exactly. Now tell me what, I know we'll have a tour of this later. Give me some highlights of the center.
Well, the center is going to be hematology and medical oncology and surgical oncology. We're also going to be premiering a precision prevention program here right on this site. It's going to be a first for City of Hope, and we're really focusing on those patients who maybe don't even think they're at risk for cancer, who want to know if they are and how they can prevent it, because the incidence of cancer rate is going up in Orange County in particular. So the best way to beat cancer is to prevent it. But upstairs we have a beautiful infusion center. We have a compounding pharmacy, so that work can be done right here on site. We have some beautiful exam rooms and some surgical treatment rooms.
All right, excellent. And of course, this is the start of a new era, as we mentioned, with your $1 billion expansion over in Great Park. And what do we look forward to there?
Well, that is going to be a state-of-the-art outpatient cancer campus, including outpatient surgery as well as a hospital. So we are hard at work at that, and we look forward to the outpatient cancer campus opening in 2021 and the hospital in 2024 or early 25.
It's not that far away.
No, it's not. It's not, yeah.
All right, well, congratulations and thank you so much, and good luck today.
Thank you so much for being here today.
All right.